Web and mobile applications have minutes, if not seconds, to help users experience their first aha moment and avoid users leaving or uninstalling your application. Shortening the time it takes for your users to realize your product's value is the most important first step to achieving customer retention and ensuring a long and successful lifetime customer value. Contextual user onboarding tours or walkthroughs is the most effective way to guide new users around the key elements of your application, gain familiarity with the most important features, and most importantly, help the user achieve their initial goal for installing or registering an account for your app. In this short video, we will show you how easily you can create a contextual onboarding guide for a mobile application and help users accelerate their understanding of your app. We will be using the demo Airbnb app for the purpose of this video. First thing you need to do is to create an account and sign into the contextual dashboard. You'll land on the Guides list page by default. To start creating the tour, click on the Create Guide button, name the guide, and pick the operating system. Let's call our onboarding guide Airbnb Onboarding Tour. Then, you need to choose the screen that you'd like to display the guides on. To upload a screen, you need to connect your phone to the dashboard by clicking on Preview on Device and wait for the contextual widget to appear on the mobile screen. By clicking on Capture Screenshot on the right screen, you'll be sending a screenshot and its metadata to Contextual Dashboard. After refreshing the page, you'll see the latest screen uploaded, and you can select it to be used to create guides. At this stage, Contextual presents us with a set of use cases with over 50 customizable guide templates to choose from under each use case. All you need to do is to pick a use case from contextual tips, carousels, announcements, in-app videos, surveys, and FAQ. Let's pick an announcement use case as our starting point. We're now presented with 8 fully customizable templates. Let's choose the template called Announcement with Image and Single Button. Let's change the title and content text. As you can see, you can edit all the aspects of a guide so that it matches the look and feel of your product. As for the second step of the tour, again, we're asked to either choose a different screen or display the guide on the same screen as before. As for the second step, let's choose the in-app video. You might use an in-app video here as a short explainer to inform the user what they are going to get out of completing the onboarding tour. In-app videos come in a template that looks like this. I'm going to change the field to be this greenish color. I'll also change the text to be a bit larger too, and change the font to be Poppins, or any font you like can be added to the design palette. Let's also set it to be bold too to make it easier for the users to see. You can add strokes to it as well. Make the button corners rounded. For our next step, we are going to use Contextual to guide our user towards their aha moment. In the case of Airbnb, this may start with the date selection. The multi-step template we have chosen allows you to point at any field or button or block of text on the screen. See how we are now in a targeting mode? Let's anchor our guide step on Date link here. In a later video, we will show you how to display the guide contextually, so if the visitor is from a specific cohort of users, Contextual can identify that and automatically show the right guide to the right user. Now that we have provided the user with items of value, we might now be in a position to ask the user to do something for us. This might be completing their user profile, adding a credit card number to their account, or in Airbnb's case, it might be asking for user feedback. Let's conclude our tour with an acknowledgement to the user for completing the tour and request a rating feedback. Now that we have created a basic onboarding guide, let's see how it will look in action before committing it to production. We do this by going into preview mode. With Contextual, creating a user onboarding guide is really that simple. Please check out our other explainer videos, or if you would like a customized demonstration on how Contextual can help you increase user activation and retention, please click on the button below. Happy onboarding!